Hey y'all, welcome back to Phrase Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be talking about diamond painting. This is another installment of my Christmas in July series, my little mini series that I've been running lightly on the channel. This is the 12 days at the Sparkling Gift Shop Diamond Painting Advent Calendar by none other than Diamond Art Club. This came out last year in 2025, of course. I knew nothing about it. Last year, nothing. So I ended up seeing it toward the end of last year and I purchased it. I think I purchased it early this year and I got it on a major sale. It was like $100 even almost. And I'm assuming it was way more when it first came out. This is all about diamond painting, so I'm thrilled. I have seen it unboxed, but I don't remember everything that was in it just because it's been a while since I watched the unboxing for this calendar. The back does tell you everything that's in it, but we're not going to read the back. And this is how big this box is, okay? So I'm going to open it and sort of show you how it opens, but you're not going to be able to see the full thing. That's the back. And then Diamond Art Club says it's 12 days at the Sparkling Gift Shop. So yeah, it's all diamond art themed accessories and diamond paintings, and they're doing 12 days. 12 days of Christmas, not 25. But from what I remember, this calendar is packed with all sorts of things. This calendar's taller than me. I had to try to prop it up so we could see it here really good. So we'll take the plastic off. As you can see, I'm just now opening it. Well, I'm not actually recording this in July. I'm recording this way in advance, but I ordered it a while ago and I wanted to save the unboxing to do it with you guys. So this is huge. The bow is on the side here. Okay. So this is very luxe. I mean, this is a diamond painter's dream, right? For Christmas, right? So the calendar looks like this. The calendar looks like this. So let me see if I can see what's going on here. Where are the actual, oh, these are perforated. Okay, I didn't see where the perforation was at first, the numbers. These perforated lines, these are hard. I'm not gonna use my nails. I'm not gonna use my nails for these. I'm using a box cutter. So we're just going to start with one and I'm just going to box cut my way out. Okay. I'm just going to box cut my way out because I'm not dealing with this. So getting these jokers off is not easy. Yeah, y'all, I'm going to need assistance. I'm using a pen to try to pluck what is in here out. This is not good if you have nails. There's styrofoam behind it. Okay, so the first thing was a 3-pack of washi tape. Let me show you what this looks like on the inside. So there's a styrofoam inner part here. I think I'm just gonna have to put your top down. I'm gonna have to put your top down for this. So let's just get into it. Okay, y'all. So this is the washi tape that we got in box one. I don't think I'm going to go in order because I'm not going to keep moving this box from side to side. So we're just going to open everything on this one side first. This is the washi tape that you can use to outline your diamond painting or decorate it or whatever. Practical uses. You can also use it in your crafting. Okay, so that was number 1. We're gonna go straight to number 9. These perforated lines are really hard to see. Like, ideally you would punch that. My nails are not strong enough for that. I don't want anything popping off right now. So I don't know whose idea this was. I guess they're trying to make sure that it was super, super tight. But what is this? I done got so distracted. Window clings. Oh, it's a diamond painting kit. You can diamond paint window clings. These are basically like stickers. I would use these, not on my windows. I'm not putting anything on my windows, but I would use these on my cups. Or on something. I love that these are quick and easy projects. These are going to be perfect to do for Christmas this year, and you get the gems. Look how pretty though this is. So it doesn't come with the tray or anything, but let me go ahead and open all of these windows and just come back, because this is a mess. This kind of takes the fun out of opening of the advent calendar, but I'm gonna go ahead and open them all. Okay, y'all, I'm back again. I wreaked havoc on this calendar because it got to a point where I just didn't care. So let's go to 12. And there are a lot of great things in this calendar that are definitely more money than I paid for the entirety of the calendar. Like, look at this. This is a 9x9. If I could get it out. It's a 9x9. This alone, plus the other one, I mean, you're almost at $100. And I only paid like $100 for this. This is Candy Cottage, Eau Claire Studio. This is a round. And 29 colors. I love that. 2 fairy dust diamonds. Full diamond coverage area. So I'm not going to unbox this. I may do another video where I just unbox everything that came in here, that came in this calendar, just so I can push through looking at whatever is in here. So this is a great deal for that. Let's see here. Then we have what would have been day 7. I love the styrofoam. I love the idea of that, to keep everything where it's supposed to be, but this is just really hard to open, so it's not as fun. So yeah, I'm not going to unbox this. We'll look and see. These are the coasters. These are 6 coasters. And it looks like they're round diamonds. These are really pretty. Yeah, I will unbox this in a separate video. I'll unbox everything that I'm unboxing in a separate video, or else we'll be here forever. So, you know, this, and this alone, you're at 100 Diamond Art Club. So the fact that I only paid 100 for this, and you know, we got washi tape too, and we're still going, that this was an incredible deal that I got. Then we'll look at day 10, what would have been day 10. This is what looks to be a twist-on premium pen. Very nice. I haven't purchased any pens from them. So you can include it. Twist-on stainless steel. Single tip is included, and that's green. It's a green sparkly one. I love this. I actually don't have any other pens from them other than the ones that come inside the kits. So this is cool. I will be testing this out. So we'll look closer at that in another video. Oh, look at this. This would have been day 8 at the top here. Day 8 is one of the trays, a stackable tray. One of their big trays. Really nice, really nice. That would have been day 8. Day 6, cover minders. Cover minders. Some of the magnets may be stuck on each other. Yeah. Looks like we got some of the magnets stuck on each other. But cover minders are used to hold your film, your pages back, if you're working on a big diamond painting. Oh, the glue must have fell off of this one. That's why that's not sticking. Okay, so I'm going to have to glue one of these magnets back on to this one. But anyway, they give you a shirt, a snowman, mittens, and Santa going down the chimney. That's really cute. So they give you cover minders. And I did have a part that was falling off. Oh man, his foot fell off. His foot fell off. So we had a foot fell off and we had a magnet fall off. So it's a bit of a bummer. Good thing I don't care too much about these because I don't really use cover minders because I don't do big enough paintings. Not at this point in time of my life. Okay, so that was the first section. That was a lot. That was just a lot. This will not be a advent calendar that I reuse like my other ones that I'm planning to do, to reuse. Okay, we'll look at this one sideways. 4 was another entire diamond painting kit. This is insane. I'm worried about my nail. Okay, what is this? Oh, this came out of my pen. My pen completely just, okay. My pen is like no moss. These are tight in here. Oh my God. Okay. So this is an entire diamond painting kit, the Snowy Woodland Wanderer. 67 colors, including 2 ABs and 1 frosted diamond and 3 fairy dust diamonds. It's a really cute picture. Full diamond coverage, and these are rounds. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. So this is a 9 by 11. This was made by John Stewart. So you had like 2 full diamond painting kits plus 2 mini diamond painting kits. I mean, you're getting a lot for your money here. And then what would have been day 3 are these 2 extra drills, red and green. What does it say? They're not sparkly. They're just regular red and green. So I got some extra drills, so that's nice. That's a great deal. And then what would have been 11 is another diamond painting kit. Y'all, look at how many diamond painting kits you're getting. This is a Sparkle Pal Santa. .7 by 5.5. That's really nice. So that would have been day 11. That's another full kit. I mean, I got a lot for my money. What would have been 2 mini dazzles. Oh man, this is really worth it for the money. This is 20 something on its own. Mini dazzles. I'm not gonna worry about sliding that off, but these are the pictures that you get. I'm just like all turned around, y'all. This is so hard to open, but you get mini dazzles, so you get that. And then what would have been 5 what is this? It's a garland. 1 garland, 1 ribbon. So this is basically letters I can use because I'm definitely not stringing a garland. Oh, and it must come with these little icons too. So I'll have to unbox everything that's in this kit in a separate video or unbox it whenever I use it. I'm not sure when I'm gonna actually make a separate video for that, but this is really nice. So I think I opened everything that now that I finally got it open, y'all. And I'm tired now. I've been doing so many other things today, and that was the straw that broke the camel's back. So we are done for the day. This was the 12 days at the Sparkling Gift Shop by Diamond Art Club. Going through this, would I get another one? I mean, this is what we got for me. I got it for $100. These 2, you got the garland, which I won't be in a rush to do. Mini dazzles, which I definitely will probably do this year. Definitely, probably. I don't know. Which I may or may not do this year. This huge tray, which I love. Cover minders, which broke. A premium pen. That's really good. I didn't have one. A Sparkle Pal. You got 2 whole diamond painting kits. that include the twist and pick pin, the tray, the drills. I wouldn't have picked these out myself, but they're pretty. And then you got washi tape, Christmas themed washi tape. And then you got window clings and coasters. I got all of this for $100. And if you know Diamond Art Club prices, you know that that's insane. So, I mean, I think I'm going to just wait for it to go on sale again if they come out with another one. Because the stress that this put me through, I can't call it. So I have their calendar and I have their advent calendar. I have their regular calendar and their advent calendar. I love them both. With the prices that I paid, because I caught them both on sale, I would say they were definitely worth it. I wouldn't want to pay over $100 for all this though, because these are not really my style, but they are generic enough to fit anybody. So I'd love to see a tropical Christmas, like a Christmas in July type advent calendar. So scratched my hands all up, y'all. It's been rough out here. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some candy canes in the comments. Put some candy canes in the comments, or put some snowflakes or some Christmas trees, and I'll catch y'all in the next one when I have more energy. Thanks, y'all. Bye.